How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods in which you can hide your Instagram following and followers list. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu. Then tap on settings. Tap on privacy. Turn on private account. Tap on switch to private. Now no one will be able to see your following and followers list unless they follow you. If you want to stop a specific person from seeing your following and followers list even if they follow you, then follow this method. Go to the profile of the person or the account. Tap on these three dots. Tap on block. After you have blocked the person, they won't be able to message you or find your profile, posts or stories on Instagram, and they won't be notified that you have blocked them. You will get two options to block: to either only block their account or to block this account as well as any other accounts they may have or create. Select the option you want and tap on block. If you change your mind and decide to unblock them in future, go to your profile, tap on the menu, tap on settings, tap on privacy, scroll down, tap on blocked accounts, tap on the unblock button of the person you want to unblock. Again tap on unblock. So that's how you hide your Instagram followers and followers list.